myself Devaki Basu from Boutique D Design Kolkata. Have come again with another video today. Welcome you all to today's new video, and today I will go to show you some beautiful cotton tops. These are the our own production cotton tops, because the festive season is ongoing. For the picnic purpose, for your daily wear purpose, office wear purpose, you can think over it. So let's start today's episode. Before that, our store location is 51/1 Joduna Tukil Road, Poschim Putiari, Kolkata 41, near Netaji Metro Station, Toliganj, Kudghat. Just 3 to 4 minutes walking distance from Netaji Metro Station, Kudghat Metro Station. And our booking number on screen is there. It's 9163860633. And if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start today's episode. So this is the first tops. These are pure 100% cotton tops, ajrak tops with the collar and brown color we have used for this collar in brown color. Body is a black color, pure ajrak. Here is some wooden buttons, show buttons, and this is a 3/4 sleeves. This is a sleeves, 3/4 sleeves with the border. This is a back portion of the tops, and this actually the long tops, or you can say the short kurti, whatever it is. This is a side slit, okay, and this is a tops. This size is 46 size. This is our own production kurti. We have our own tailoring unit where you can also make your customized order according to your choice. From the false picot to designer blouse, kurti alteration, all kinds of ladies tailoring we done over here. So this is the first kurti. The price I will tell you at the end, so please do not skip the video. This is a second one. These all are the pure 100% cotton kurtis. The length of the kurti is 36. Length of the kurti is 36 because this is a just to above knee length, and we covered the hip because for the the mid edge ladies, we they want to cover our hips, so that's why. So this is a next one. This is a pure kalamkari printed kurti, kalamkari print, and these pure the indigo we have used in the collar also, and the size is 46 and 42. This top size is 42 and 46. Our kurti range actually starting from the 40 to 50 size, and though we have our own tailoring unit, so inside there is a margin, 2 inches margin. Each and every kurti have a 2 inch margin both side with the interlock, okay. So this is a kurti, okay. These all are the collar kurti because for the winter, and this looks like the smartness. It's enrich our smartness. So this is the next one. This is in brown in color. The body color is a brown ajrak we have used, and then collar black color we have used the collar. This is a sleeves, 3/4 sleeves, okay. And this tops size is 42 and 46. This top size is 42 and 46, and which is earlier I have shown this one. This one size available is 42 and 46, 42 and 46, okay. Just take a screenshot and send it my WhatsApp number for booking, and if you need confusion about the size and price, please inquire me at the above number. This is the next one. This is in Orly print ajrak material, your cotton, and collar is a brown color, okay. This is a sleeve, and size is 44. This is a single piece, size is 44, okay. And next one, this is also in kalamkari printed, brown kalamkari with the blue indigo collar, okay. Beautiful piece. Sleeves comes like this way, back portion. See the smartness. design. Okay, this size available 44 and 50 size. This tops size available 44 and 50. And this is also, see, there is, this is a above the knee length, and you can consider it as a long top or short kurti, whichever it is. Okay, you like to. So this is a one. Okay, next one. This design is just different. This is a high neck collar, but this is high neck collar in this way, and there is a pocket in both. The two pockets in front. Okay, so this is a tops. This is the sleeves comes, and this top size is 42 and 46 size. This top size is 42 and 46. Now if you want to reduce the size, we can make for you with with free of cost. Or if you want to alter in your size, so suppose this is a 42, you want a 40 size, so we will reduce this kurti. And if you want to a 44 size, we will enlarge it, because there inside is margin is there. So with the free of cost alteration is available. So this is a one. This kurti size available is 42 and 46. 42 and 46. Okay. Now next one in black. See, the same design continued with the Chinese collar design. Okay, and front pocket is there, both side front pocket with the 3/4 sleeve. This top size available is 44 and 50 size. This is a ready 50 size, and there is an inside margin in 4/8, so you can enlarge it up to 54 size, 53, 54 size up to, you can enlarge it. Okay. Now next one. See, this is the next one. This is also in a kalamkari print, beautiful leaf motif kalamkari print with we highlighted the collar and blue ikat, as well as the the pocket also we highlighted it. Okay, and this is a sleeve. This tops size available 44 and 50, 44 and 50 size. Okay, next one, size 42, maroon ajrak with the black collar, maroon ajrak, and this is a sleeve and the pocket, both side pocket. Size available 42 and 46, 42 and 46. So like this way, you can also make according to your choice. Customized order we take. We have our own tailoring unit, as I said earlier, where you can make your own design. You can, if you have also your own any pieces, you can bring it to here. We will solve your issues according to your choice. So today's all kurti price is 850 only, including your courier charge and GST. All over India, courier charge is absolutely free of cost. Only within Kolkata, we have a cash on delivery service, which is in extra charges of 100 to 200 rupees. And we have another services which is in pick and drop services for the tailoring, where we will for the South Kolkata only. Basically, we will go to your place and pick up your measurement and your materials, and after that we will deliver it also to your doorstep. And if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And booking number on screen is there. It's 9163 860633. Today this much. Namaskar.